Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So this video is regarding your Master Success Pack update and the next recruitment which we are targeting in our MSP, that is your Bell PO recruitment 2023. Great opportunity because you know that permanent opportunity in Bell Bharat Electronics Limited we are getting, and you will get opportunity to work under this Navratna company. So that's great, and that is also for permanent post. Okay, it is not contractual now. So here you can see that already I have uploaded a notification. If you didn't check that, in the comment section I will pin the notification. You can check my notification video, then you can fill the form if you are eligible. Okay, so you can see there 13 lakh CTC, approximately 12.5 13 lakh, you can say, right, is there. For ECI and computer science our MSP is there. So definitely in both of the MSP we are targeting Bell, where we are taking care of first CBT, because our first target is to score maximum score in this 85%, and definitely then our IGP, that is interview guidance program, will be there, and both of the things will be combined in our MSP. Okay, so now first we will check for electronics communication and instrumentation MSP. So here you can see BDL management trainee, both CBT and PI, obviously. Okay, ISRO scientist, both CBT and PI. BARC technical officer, NIC, all posts we are targeting. NILET scientist B and STA post. HPCL engineer, Mahatransco AE, Bell PO, obviously that is added now. Okay, and in interview guidance program, if you are shortlisted for these interviews like NILET, ICRT and IBGO skill test and PI, then we are targeting in this MSP. Okay, so along with Bell PO, if you fill any of this form, then definitely it is very much advantage for you guys to join MSP. Okay, that's first thing. And salary package already it is written for you guys, so based on your interest, definitely you can target these recruitments. This is the list for electrical. So BDL management trainee, ISRO scientist, BARC technical officer, NIC, NILET, HPCL, Mahatransco, okay, NILET, ICIT, IBGO, and here I forget one name that is most important, that is Bell ET. So those who are a Bell aspirant, they will angry at me. Okay, but don't worry, I forget that name. Bell will be always part of our MSP. Okay, Bell ET interview, because obviously that Maharatna, how I will leave that, right? Next part is for computer science and IT MSP. Okay, all the three MSP links you will get in the comment section. So please join your MSP only. Just check the name in the bracket. There is written electronics communication, computer science, electrical, like that. Okay, only for three branches we have our MSP currently. So as on 27th of October, which recruitment we are targeting for computer science and IT? BDL management trainee, ISRO scientist, BRC technical officer, NIC all posts, NILET scientist by STA, Bell PO, NILET ICIT interview, IBGO interview, and obviously Bell ET PI. Okay, here I write that. Here I don't forget, right? Okay, so this is the recruitment which we are currently targeting in our Master Success Pack. Now those who are MSP aspirant, already for Bell PO, blockwise strategy started. So just go collect your sheet and start your preparation. If you have anything, message me. Okay, and now those who want to join MSP, what are there in your MSP, what are things are there, what is the concept of MSP, how I am giving consistent selections in PSU and government job, why MSP is super powerful solution for all the engineers and diploma candidate. Let's discuss. Okay, so now those who already connected, they know my style. Before anything, I tell you guys purpose, because for me it is most important that you should understand the purpose of MSP. Okay, then only you will get connected to it, and then you will utilize that properly, right? Now suppose if you are going into some supermarket, there you buy some soap, I can say, right? So you know the purpose of that soap, that yes, I will use it daily in my bath, right? So like that you should know the purpose of MSP. And the first purpose, important purpose, is multiple recruitment in same fee. Now before our MSP, because I started my MSP in 2022 October month. Okay, so before that, what is happening? Suppose there is recruitment A. Okay, so specifically I thought for general EWS and OBC candidate. Okay, SST aspirant, please don't mind. Okay, and PWD also. See, basically what is happening for each of the recruitment, okay, most of the recruitment, I can say for SST PWD, the form fee is 0, that is free, right? But for this general EWS and OBC guys, they need to pay form fee continuously. So suppose if you want to apply for this recruitment A, okay, then you need to pay that form fee, let's say 500 rupees. Okay, then recruitment B is also there, you are eligible for that. And obviously in computer exam, it is not like we will stop after filling one form. Okay, because we don't know that what is the result of that, right? So again you fill this form. Suppose this is a greater post, like that also happen. The fees are 1000 rupees. Suppose then recruitment C, D, E, like that. So here you can see in a year how much you are spending just for the form fees. Okay, and after that I am launching my success pack for each and every recruitment. Before MSP I am talking. So for recruitment A, there is success pack. Definitely it was affordable, and our MSP is also affordable now. Okay, that affordable thing is not changed, because I don't want that, because of lack of guidance. Any one of you, those who can't afford high fees and like that, will miss this opportunity. Okay, and this thing I don't want. That's why our success pack was also affordable, and definitely MSP is super affordable. I can say that, right? So for recruitment day, let's buy separate success pack. For recruitment B, let's buy separate success pack. So means here what is happening, that you are filling multiple forms, okay, paying multiple times fee, and also paying fees multiple time for success pack. So definitely, so I know that this thing is very frustrating and irritating for specifically general AWS OBC, that to pay so much of fee for almost some kind of recruitment. Okay, see, there are basically three categories only where all the recruitments fall. I know that idea because I have now 10 plus years of experience in this field, guiding lots of aspirants, thousands of aspirants I guide. Okay, you can see the selections continuously. I'm giving the selection, so I know that for which recruitment what is required and everything. So that's why it's for me. It's I have very clear idea that okay, this recruitment we can club together, and in one fee for a particular period, I can give to my aspirants so that they will also afford it, and the main thing that your chances of getting selection will get increased with our MSP. Okay, definitely I can guarantee that, and you can see the testimonials also. I don't need to tell anything to you guys, okay, because everything is transparent and everything is genuine. This is the authentic platform on YouTube, I can say. Okay, just remember always that there are only 1% channels which actually want your selection. Other 99% channel, and here in 99 Patel, all the coaching companies, okay, all the big names you know so far, that comes under 99%. They just bother about your sales, okay, how much they are selling, that's it. They don't care about your selection, whether you after joining course what you are doing, okay, whether you will get selection or not. They don't care about that. They just want their sale number to get increased. Okay, so this is the thing, only 1% channel is there, and I am proudly saying this thing after giving consistent selection, that I am among this 1%, and I will remain in this 1%. Okay, that is most important thing, because in the start you can see our channel is not that much big, but definitely it is very big in terms of giving value. Okay, but as it proceed, I know it will be sometime 50,000 subscriber, then 1 lakh subscriber. I don't care about subscriber. I want that selection, because my ultimate goal is 50,000 selection. Okay, that is my ultimate goal, and for that I'm working day and night for you guys. Okay, so this is the main thing and main purpose of mine. And then let's come to again our MSP. That second point, that most affordable solution which will give selection. Okay, so you can see the testimonials, few examples you can see here also. Main thing is that do your work, okay, and under proper guidance, because in MSP everything is there. Okay, your CBT preparation is there, your interview guidance program is there, how to give interview, mock interviews, okay, then block test, mock test, one concept, super concept I just introduced, that is block-wise strategy. So that is also powerful. Everything which is important for your selection is there. Okay, so I hope now you got my purpose of MSP, and definitely we can proceed further. Okay, second point, why to join MSP. So now those who are suppose watching this video for the first time, you visited my channel for the first time, you don't have that much idea, definitely you will explore and you will get much idea, and after some time you will join MSP for sure. But what I want, that in the start only if you join, then definitely you will get that advantage. Okay, because our block-wise strategy is already started, so definitely that will give you advantage for that. Okay, see, it's very much important that at what particular time what you are doing. In community section, if you see my quotes also and my selection panel also, so that is the thing only, that whatever selections I have provided so far, those students committed themselves to me and they follow me 100% blindly. Okay, they apply all the things which I tell in our strategy videos, which I tell in our MSP videos, like that. Okay, and they got success finally. Now I have given selection in various engineering recruitments, PSUs obviously, okay, scientist posts also. Means now I don't think that very few recruitments or very few organizations are there where we don't have our Apna student, and that definitely in a span of this 6 to 1 year I will complete. Okay, 6 months to 1 year. Yeah, so first point, that it is one-to-one guidance. So see, MSP is not all about I am giving you the things and you do whatever you want to do. Okay, it is not like that. One-to-one guidance along with generalized guidance is there. Okay, so personal guidance always be there, so that you will get proper idea that at what particular time what I should do. Okay, so it's complete career counseling thing. That suppose if you want to switch to another career, okay, if you want to leave job, if you don't want to leave job, then how to prepare. Because see, I prepare for this competitive exam with college also, okay, without college also, means by taking drop also, and with job also. Okay, in all the three scenarios I prepare and I tracked, so I know that how to do what the things. Okay, and this is the model. MSP is not course. Please don't say it is a course, because obviously I don't want that my MSP you should tell this is a course. No, it is the success model which have the ability to provide you selection if you follow the things. Okay, again I will not here giving guarantee, because lots of coaching institute tell you that 100% selection, buy our course you will get 100% selection. No, here I can say you 99% guarantee will be there, but again 1% luck is always there for you. So that thing is not in our hand, but this 99% thing is in our hand. Okay, that is our hard work, our dedication, and our commitment. These three parameters are always with us. So definitely with this you will get 1% also. Okay, so one-to-one guidance is there, so that is the important thing. That, see, without guidance you can't crack any of the recruitment. Okay, then second, cover the whole selection process. Now suppose if you roam here and there on YouTube channels, you can see that they publish one course for CBT preparation. Okay, then they publish another course for intro preparation. But now again, what I told you in the start purpose, that affordable solution. So why it is affordable? Because I covered complete process, whether you have CBT only, whether you have CBT plus GD, whether you have CBT plus GD plus PI. Now for everything which is important for your selection, I covered. Okay, it is not like I am not covering interview, I will just give you CBT, block test, mock test, okay, bye bye. No, because I want my selection banner. Okay, that selection banner you can see in front of you. That is the reason that the whole process is there, plus CBT interview. Okay, if CBT is there, then CBT. Okay, and in the start also I show you that CBT plus PI, CBT plus PI means we are covering both of the process in same MSP only. Okay, so this is okay. The next reason that you should prepare under proper guidance, or I can say authentic guidance. Okay, and that how you will get the idea, by observing the results. Okay, now see, there are two types of result on in online world. Okay, for some candidate, now most of the coaching companies that I told you, 99%, what they do, they pay to candidate so that the candidate will come on their platform and they will say, okay, I joined this course, I joined mock test, it is great, like that. Okay, so this is paid promotion, and obviously I don't have that much money to give to my student. Definitely whatever testimonials are, you can hear from them, or you watch on our community and our Apna Karun job, that are purely genuine. Okay, if you want, you can talk to the candidate also. I'm sure that some of them will be your colleague, classmate, or like that. Okay, so main thing is that consistently, genuinely I'm giving the selection with the help of MSP, and our IGP also there. Okay, so yes, you are under proper guidance and you are on authentic platform, I can say, if you are watching this video for the first time, right? So if you are watching, then do subscribe to the channel, very important. Okay, now before going further, last point that for me is very much important, that you should know, that who should not join our MSP. Okay, see, like other coaching institute where they are telling you join my course, here I am telling you who should not join. Okay, that is the difference between the 99% and 1%. I hope you are getting now, right? So suppose if you are someone who are looking for shortcuts, means after joining MSP I am surely get selection, I will not do anything, I will just sit, I will just give mock test. No. Okay, whatever task, now our blockwise strategy is there. So what is blockwise strategy vagara, that I will discuss later. Okay, but with the help of blockwise strategy you are getting a path. Okay, I can say a complete roadmap you are getting for your recruitment process. Because see, it is not like you are starting from here and you need to complete the preparation syllabus and like this. Okay, there are lots of things to do in between the recruitment before your final exam, and that thing, that idea you will get with the help of our blockwise strategy. Okay, so blockwise strategy, definitely it will enhances your ability or your capability to understand the concepts topic wise, I am telling. Okay, first thing. Second thing, it provides you roadmap, it provides you target. Okay, but if you did not follow that, definitely your result will get hampered. Okay, so if you are someone that you are looking for shortcuts, and let me tell you one thing, that in the world of computer exam where everyone is preparing seriously, I am only talking about serious student. I am not talking about that out of 1,90,000 people. I am talking about that 10,000 people, those who are very much serious and they cracked each and every exam. Okay, they are preparing super hard. So means your competition is the 10,000 only out of that 1 lakh. Just remember this always. And these 90,000 people always look for shortcuts. Okay, that's why you may heard that the course someone is selling at 99. So lots of students purchase that because they think that, oh, in 99 I will get the job. Okay, but the thing is different, because they are just selling. They know that I will put the price minimum, so that definitely lots of students will buy that, because 99 obviously it is not big amount in today's world. Okay, you know the inflation and everything like that. So this is the first point, that if you are looking shortcut, if you don't want to work hard, then please, my MSP is not for you. Okay, and again, second thing that for me is very much important, that if you are giving or if you are targeting the recruitment without reason, then first identify your reason, that why you want to target this recruitment. Okay, it may be your financial condition, just look at your parents. Okay, it may be that if you are currently doing a job, then you are not satisfying with the job, or there are too much workload, there is no work life balance. Okay, if you are working somewhere in other than your state, if you want to target your state recruitment. Okay, if it's salary, if it is status, that Miniratna, Maharatna, Navaratna, whatever the reason, but that reason you should know. Okay, if you don't have that reason, definitely you will not prepare seriously, you will not follow my guidelines, and ultimately I will not get my result. And definitely I told you in the start, I am working for selection banner only. Okay, that selection banner you see in front of you, I want that because I want to change life of 50,000 families. Okay, and I am on that path. So if you are not matching with my goal, if you are not aligned with my thought, definitely we will not get the result. Okay, so I hope you understand these 2 points are very much important for me, that you should not join my MSP. Why? So the answer is this only. Okay. Okay, now the next thing, that you can join MSP, that is Master Success Pack, by 2 ways. Okay, first through the application and second through our website. So how to do that? Let me tell you one by one quickly. Okay, so first download the application. The link you will get in the comment section or on the website also. I will tell you that where you can get the link. Okay, so download our application and do your registration. Just means put your mobile number, enter OTP, and that's it. It's done. Okay. Now after that, what you have to do? Let me discuss. So like this, you will get the screen on your mobile application. Then you can see here there are 4 to 5 options. Profile, which is most important, where you can access your all the courses. Okay, then chat option is there, and if you click on this chat option, then you can see my name is there, Nikum sir. Okay, so whatever queries before joining MSP you have, you can ask me here. Okay, I will reply you, means whenever I will get time, because lots of messages, lots of queries I receive daily, so not possible to reply you quickly, but I will try my best to reply you, right? Then second, you will see store, which is most important for you. So here click on store, and you can see here just, or you can search with MSP, or you can just scroll down little bit. Okay, and here you can see all the 3 MSPs, like Master Success Pack Electronics, Master Success Pack Electrical, and Master Success Pack Computer Science. Okay, suppose I am clicking on Master Success Pack Electronics, so here you can see that I can join like this. Okay, now suppose in one go, if it is not possible for you to pay the fees of this, okay, then what you can do, just scroll down little bit and you can pay in installment also. Okay, so that facility also I am providing you to pay your fees in installment. So the first fee will be 749, and second, after 2 months, that is in the third month, you will pay the remaining amount, that is 250 rupees. Okay, so the duration of MSP is 6 months. So for 6 months, this is the 999 fee you have for your MSP. Okay. Okay, second way is from our website, which link you will get in the comment section. So here you can see, I guess it is not visible for you because my icon is there. Okay, so here you will get option, okay, on this line, that get it on Google Play. Just click on that, you will get the app, or on just Google Play, if you search Apna Government Job, this spelling, you will get our application. Okay, our application have good reviews, so definitely you will get that. So once you will get, or once you are on this website, what you have to do, just scroll down and search your MSP of your own branch. It is written here electronics, okay, then computer science, instrumentation. So please join your own MSP only, because if you oppose for a reason, if you join any other MSP, then I can't change your MSP. Okay, that feature we don't have currently. So please join your MSP. Okay, definitely in urgent basis I can do something. It is not like that, but still try to avoid those things, right? So here you can see that we have our MSP. I will just click on my MSP. Okay, like this, and here you can see again the same fees for 6 months. Here it is written. And what is the structure of MSP? Let me tell you. So here you can see first tour of Master Success Pack folder. It is under progress. I will upload video of soon. Okay, so don't bother about this. Current affair magazine. So suppose now some recruitment demand GK and current affair, then definitely this folder is for you guys. Okay, here you can see August month current affair, September month, October month magazine. So it is the part of your MSP only. Okay, then here you can see whatever recruitment I have shown you currently. Okay, that list you can see here: NILET NIC, BRC, Technical Officer, ISRO NIC. Okay, like that means multiple recruitment that we are targeting. Time to time I will give you update like in this video. So, and that folder will get added here, so that you will get idea, okay, this recruitment we are targeting, right? And one folder is there, that interview guidance program folder. So here you can see that whatever IGPs I showed you earlier, okay, that IGP folder will be there. Currently there is no active IGP, that's why you can't see here. Okay, so this is the structure of our MSP, and under this, suppose one recruitment, you will get all the things like guidance videos, okay, then how to prepare that, everything, blockwise strategy, what is blockwise strategy, everything, okay, that we will get. Now most important thing, that description. So see, already all the things I wrote in the description, but still quickly I will just give you the glance of the description. So first thing, that preparation of CBT, GD, GT interview, okay, then one-to-one call, how to handle multiple recruitment preparation. Now see, it is not easy to handle this multiple recruitment path, okay. So how to do that, what are our priority, that definitely we'll discuss in our call, right? One separate call will be there in the start, and definitely after that also you can call me and we can have a call. It is not like that only once I will call and I will say bye bye. No, what I told you, till you get your offer letter, I will be always with you, and after that also I will be always with you. I forget the main thing of MSP, that first our target is to secure a job. Okay, just remember carefully. First target is to secure a job, and our second target after securing a job, we will try to upgrade. Okay, now what is the meaning of upgrade? Those who are new, suppose if you crack any exam of 7th level, okay, 7th pay level, and now if you are want to target 10th level job like scientist post, so definitely our target then we will switch to this. Okay, so our first target is to secure a job, and second we will upgrade. Okay, don't confuse between this, because this is the most important pillar of our MSP. Okay, that thought process. Then you can see here that what your MSP include, very important. Okay, now as you already saw the fees, okay, that you know already. So here you can see that all the things which are there in your MSP, I write individually also, because that individual also you can buy from our application. Okay, it is not like it is a part of MSP. Individual also you can buy. So here you can see multiple recruitment, mentorship, mock test, blockwise strategy, guidance for multiple recruitment, everything is 90,999 only. Okay, then English ebook is given to you, that for some recruitment English is required, then you can use that, 65 rupees. Okay, then electronics quick revision ebook for electronics candidate, because this is MSP of electronics. Okay, here you can see 295 rupees. Then for computer science guys, you can see the ebook is of 495 rupees. Okay, individual so you can join from my MSP, from our application, sorry. Okay, 495 for computer science. And last for electrical guys, it is 195 rupees. Okay, then you can see that MS Master Success Pack Ultimate Test, it is for all the branches. Okay, 300 rupees. Then our IGP, that is Interview Guidance Program, which is super powerful, and you can see the testimonial again. I don't need to tell anything for that. Okay, 599 for individual I'm talking about. Okay, I show you one big list. So individually, if just you pay 599, just calculate that, make a sum. Okay, and then last current affair magazine, so whatever I show you the folder, 119 rupees. Okay, so this is the total thing which I'm giving you in MSP, and all this thing, if you combine, if you sum up, then you can see it is around 2000. So the 2000 thing I'm giving you at 999, which is possible for me right now. Okay, and definitely it is super affordable, because it is giving you job for your lifetime. Okay, that for 60 years you will do a government job, I hope so. For 60 years, just think about that. Okay, and obviously it is not compulsory to join, just I'm telling you that what are the things we are giving here, right? And every other details like validity. So obviously Success Pack validity you will get as per plan, means 6 months. Okay, then English ebook for lifetime, electrical ebook for 1 year, Master's Pack Ultimate for 1 year, block sheet and mock test till your exam day, whatever your exam you're targeting, till your exam day it will be available. After that it will go. Then current affair magazine at plan, means 6 months. Okay, and 3 full length mock tests for every recruitment that I show you. Okay, is given to you, and with the help of 3 full length mock tests, definitely you can finalize your preparation, you will be ready for the examination. Okay, so this is the thing I am giving you in MSP, and further things like every detail already I written, so you can just watch that. Okay, registration is compulsory. So here you can see I written one point that for every recruitment, okay, application form and admit card or interview call letter is required, because of for a safety purpose, so that no one can misuse my MSP. Okay, so this is the thing only, and after verification within 12 hours all the things will get unlocked, our call will get scheduled, our team will message you once you join MSP. Our team will message you in chat, there you will see Team Apna Government Job, and they will guide you. Okay, whenever you will face anything. Okay, suppose from website you want to join, then here also you can pay in installments. So installment feature is same. Okay, date of purchase 4749, and after 2 months 250 rupees. Okay, so this is all about your MSP, and now I hope that you have every idea about your MSP, what your MSP content. Just again I will repeat my last statement, that why not to join MSP. If you are not serious, okay, please don't join. If you don't want selection, please don't join. If you don't have purpose, and if you don't have dedication and commitment, then please don't join. And those who are giving last attempt of this recruitment, definitely I will strictly recommend you guys to join my MSP. Okay, obviously fees are super affordable, so I don't think any problem in fees. But main thing is that, and about content also you know now, right? Main thing is that I don't want, because of lack of guidance, you will miss this opportunity and you need to switch to private companies, because obviously after certain age limit you can't apply to government jobs. Okay, so if you are eligible for this recruitment, prepare seriously and dedicatedly for this recruitment. All the best. If you have any other queries regarding MSP, you can comment on below. If you want to ask me personally, then I show you already chat option, there you can talk with me in application. Okay, download our application, subscribe to our channel, and also Telegram channel and WhatsApp group is also important, because daily Telegram PDF you are getting on that, and lots of things are happening. So please join that and prepare seriously, and just help me to achieve my mission of Mission 50,000 selection. Definitely I will also help you to achieve your dream, and combinedly we will produce a great result. Okay, all the best.